Hello, Mr. Miller here. Welcome to Video 2B. In this video, we want to just give you a little taste of what it means to interpret expressions. Okay, so let's get started here. Here we have a problem we're going to use throughout this video. We have cookies and muffins. So it turns out that a coffee shop sells cookies for $1.75 each and muffins for $2.50 each. So we're going to define two variables. We're going to let C be represent the number of cookies they sell, and M represent the number of muffins they sold. So they're going to give us some expressions about about the cookies and the muffins, and we have to say what they mean. Okay, so our first one here is C plus M. We want to think, what does this represent? Okay, well, C is the number of cookies they sell, and M is the number of muffins they sell. So C plus M must be the total number of cookies and muffins they sell. That's all. No big deal. So when we're adding these two quantities, we just get their total. Okay, so the next one is the same setup, but now we have C minus M. So now we're subtracting. So we got to think C is the number of cookies, M is the number of muffins, and we're subtracting. So what this one would give us is the difference of the cookies and the muffins. So maybe they sold 10 more cookies than muffins, and this would give us that. All right. The next one we want to consider is 2.50M. We're multiplying M by 2.50. So we must kind of wonder, that seems arbitrary. Why are we multiplying it by 2.5? Well, M is the number of muffins sold, and each one costs $2.50. So this expression, 2.50 times M, must equal the total cost of the muffins. All right, no cookies in this one yet. That's just how much money they made off the muffins. All right. Here we go. This one's the cookies. So I'm sure you kind of recognize this one. So on this one, C is the number of cookies they sell. This is how much they make for each one. So when we multiply these two quantities, we get the total amount they made from cookies. Okay, so this is interpreting the expression, kind of looking at what the variables mean and thinking, what are we doing with them? There's only one more here. We're just putting the two expressions together. The first expression we just saw, this one, was how much the cookies were worth, how much the total cost of all the cookies they sold. This was the total cost of all the muffins they sold. So when we add these, we get the total cost all together. This is the amount of money that they made selling cookies and muffins together. Okay. So you'll get used to these expressions, especially ones that involve computing the cost of things. It's very important. All right, good luck in all your lessons.